हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हमने पिछले वीडियो में एक्सपोनेंट्स के बारे में जाना था और कुछ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया था। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सपोनेंट के बचे हुए लॉज के को जानेंगे और उससे संबंधित प्रश्नों को सॉल्व करेंगे। मोर अबाउट एक्सपोनेंट्स। फर्स्ट, ए क्रॉस ए इंटू बी का पावर एन इक्वल टू ए का पावर एन इंटू बी का पावर एन। ए बाई बी का होल का पावर एन इक्वल टू ए का एन बटे बी का पावर एन। ए का पावर माइनस एम इक्वल टू वन बाई ए का पावर एम and a 1 by a comma minus m is equal to a comma m if a is not equal to 0. N root a is equal to a comma 1 by n and n का root a comma m equal to a comma m but 1 by n equal to a comma m by n. A comma 0 is equal to 1 if a is not equal to 0. Also remember that minus 3 का power 0 is equal to 1 और minus 3 का power 0 is equal to minus 1. 28 का minus 28 का whole power 0 is equal to 1, but minus 20 or 0 is equal to minus 1, and so on. Also remember that minus a comma m is equal to a comma m if m is given, and a minus a comma m is equal to minus a comma m if m is odd. Now consider the following example. We will solve it into multiple steps. In step 1, first convert number into the power. Four is equal to 2 square and 125 is equal to 5 cube. In step 2, now the equation becomes equal to 2 का पावर 2 का पावर 3 by 2 into 5 का पावर 3 into minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 का पावर 2 into 3 by 2 into 5 का पावर 5 over 3 into minus 2 by 3, using the formula using a का पावर m का a का पावर m का पावर n is equal to a का पावर m n. is equal to 2 का पावर 3 into 5 का पावर minus 2 इक्वल टू 2 का पावर 3 बटे 5 का पावर minus 5 पावर 2 इक्वल टू 8 बटे 25. That is the answer. Now consider the next question. We will solve this expression into multiple steps. Step 1. First, convert this number into power. That is 8 is equal to 2 का power 3, 27 is equal to 3 का power 3, and 32 is equal to 2 का power 5. In step 2, now the term becomes 2 का power 3, that is 3 का power 3 का power 2 by 3 divide by 2 का power 5 minus 2 का power 5, which is equal to 2 का power 3 का power 3 into 2 का power 3 divide by 2 का power 5 multiplied by minus 2 का power 5. Using a का power m by n, a का power m by n is equal to a का power m n is equal to 2 by 3 power 2 divided by 2 का power minus 2 equal to 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 2 का power 2 का power 2 is equal to using a का power minus n equal to 1 by a का power n. equal to 4 by 9 multiplied by 2 square equal to 4 into 4 by 9 equal to 16 by 9. That is the answer. Now consider the next question. Simplify this expression. Try this given expression, and that is minus 2 to the power 4 minus root 3 to the power 0 into minus 2 to the power 6 divided by 4. That is equal to minus 2 to the power 4 minus 1 into minus 1 into 64 divided by 4. Is equal to minus 16 minus 64 by 4 equal to minus 16 minus 16 is equal to minus 32. That is the answer. Consider the next question, that is simplify this expression. This is equal to go to S power m than n than n plus l plus l plus n divided by s power m into s power n power 2 is equal to using the formula a to power a into a to power b is equal to a to power a plus b. That is equal to s to power 2m plus 2n plus 2l, that is equal to x power 2m plus 2n plus 2l, that is equal to 1. That is the answer. Now consider this example. Simplify this expression equal to x power a minus b into a plus b into x power b minus c into b plus c into x power c minus a into c plus a. Using this formula, x by x power a multiplied x power b is equal to x power a minus b. That is equal to x power a square minus b square into x power b square minus c square into x power c square minus a square. That is equal to x is equal to a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Using the formula x power a into x power b is equal to x power a plus b. X power a plus b. Is equal to x power 0, that is equal to 1. That is the answer. The next example. If 25 power n minus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 over 2 power n minus 1, then find the value of n. Consider the above reason. That is equal to 25 का power n minus 1 plus 100 equal to 5 का power 2n minus 1. First, convert number into power. That is equal to 5 square minus n minus 1 plus 100 equal to 5 का power 2n minus 1. that is equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1 minus 5 to the power 2n minus 2 is equal to 100. That is 5 to the power 2n equal to 5 to the power minus 1 minus 5 to the power minus 2 is equal to 100. That is equal to 5 over 2n 1 butted 5 minus 1 butted 5 square is equal to 100. That is equal to 5 to the power 2n 10 to 25 5 minus 1 is equal to 100. That is equal to 5 to the power 2n into 4 by 25 is equal to 100. That implies about 2 equal to 100 divided by 25 by 4. That is 25. This over elevated. That implies 5 over 2 and to 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. That implies 5 to the power 2 and 5 over 4, that is 2n and 4, that implies n is equal to 2. That implies n is equal to 2. That is the answer. Because now consider the next example. Simplifying find this expression. Equal to 10 e over into 5 to the power n plus 2 plus 10 into 5 to the power n plus 1. That is equal to 10 into 5 power n into 5 plus 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power n, but 10 into 5 to the power n into 5 square, thus into 5 n into 5, that is equal to 5 to the power 10 into 10 into 5 plus 5 square 5 का वो है 3 into 5 square plus 10 into 5 that is equal to 5 10 plus 5 बटे 5 5 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 5 15 plus 10 is equal to 15 by 25 is equal to 3 by 5. That is the answer. Multi-choice type. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. If x का power x is equal to 3 का power n and y is equal to 3 का power m plus 2, then find x by y is x by y is equal to 3 का power n बटे 3 का power m plus 2. Three का power n, then 3 का power m plus 2 is equal to here it is not 3 का power n, it is 3 का power m. Then 3 का power m is equal to 1 by 3 का power m minus 3 का power minus m minus 2 is equal to 3 का power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 square, that is equal to 1 by 9. Hence the option B is correct. By typing mistake has been done, they will type n. Now consider the next question. Now the given expression is equal to 3y का power minus 1 बटा x का power minus 2 is equal to, using the formula, a का power minus n is equal to 1 by a का power n is equal to x square 3x square but y, that is equal to answer. Hence A is the answer. Considering the above expression, minus 3 like the power. Minus 2 that is equal to 4 का y 5 का पावर minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 5 minus 2 that implies equal to minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 2. That implies 3x is equal to minus 6. That implies x is equal to minus 2. And C is the answer. If m by n का power x minus 1 is equal to n by n का power x minus 5, the value of x is but and the power 5 minus x. Using the formula 1 by x to the power n is equal to x to the power minus n. That is equal to x minus 1 5 minus x. That implies 2x is equal to 6. Implies x is equal to 3. And A is the correct answer. Now consider the given expression. 1 by 7 का power minus 3 minus 2 into 7 power minus 1 into 1 by 49 is equal to 7 का power 3 into 1 by 7 into 1 by 49. That is equal to 1. That is the answer is D. Now consider this next question. This is power square minus b square into b square minus c square. A square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. That is equal to x to the power 0. That is equal to 1. Using this x का पावर a into x का पावर b is equal to x का पावर a plus b. That is the answer. Now consider the given expression. Consider the given expression. That is equal to 81 b का पावर 4. 81 b का पावर 4 बटे 256 a का पावर 16 का पावर 3/4 equal to 3 का पावर 4 e का पावर 4 equal to 4 into a का पावर 16 equal to 3/4 is equal to 3 का पावर 4 e का पावर 4 equal to 3 is equal to 27 b का पावर क्यूब बटे 64 a का पावर 12 equal to 27 बटे 64 e का पावर -12 b का पावर 3. That is the answer. a का पावर m का पावर n equal to a का पावर a का पावर m n and a का पावर m का पावर बटे a का पावर n equal to a का पावर m minus n. Formula we have used there. Simplify and express as positive indices. That is equal to one बटे a square b का पावर 2 into 1 by a b का पावर 3. That is a square बटे a4 1 बटे a का पावर -4 into b square into 1 by a cube b cube equal to a का पावर 4 बटे b square into 1 by a का पावर cube into b cube is equal to a का पावर b5 That is the answer. Now consider this question. X का power n into y का power minus n का whole 4 into x का power 3 into y का power minus 2 का whole minus n. That is equal to x का power 4n into y का power minus 4m into x का power 3n. X का power 3 1 by x over 3 y over minus 2 the power n is equal to x का power 4n into y का power minus 4m into 1 by x का power 3 n into y का power minus 2n. X का power 4n बटे y का power 4m into y का power 2n बटे x का power 3n. That is equal to x का power 4n minus 3n into y का power 2n minus 4m. Then x का power n into y का power 2n minus 4m. That is the answer. Consider the following expression. Taking LHS equal to s का power a बटे x का power minus b x का power b बटे x का power b minus c into x का power c बटे x का power minus a c minus a. That is equal to x का power a x का power a plus that is equal to x to the power a square minus b square to x to the power b square minus c square to x to the power c square minus d square and b with x to the power b square and b square minus c square c square and apply with the x to the power 0. Your RSS ready to Now consider the next question. Simplifying it. It x to the power 5 plus n. X to the power 5, 6n plus 2 but x to the power 7n minus 2. X to the power 5 plus n plus 6n plus 2. X to the power 7n minus 2 equal to x to the power 7n plus 7 x to the power 7n minus 2 x to the power equal to x to the power 7n plus 7 minus 7n plus 2. That is x to the power 9. That is the answer. Now consider the next question. LHS of this equal to n to the power minus 4 1 by 10 so 1 to the power m into the power 1. One by 10 m plus n equal to m plus n plus m that is equal to 1 by m and that equal to n to the power minus 1. That is equal to we have to talk that considering a LHS part x का पावर a बटे x का पावर b 1 बटे e बटे 1 बटे a b into x का पावर b into x का पावर c 1 by bc into power c बटे x का पावर 1 बटे c, that is equal to x का पावर a बटे b, x का पावर 1 बटे x का पावर 1 बटे c इंटू x का पावर 1 बटे b, 1 बटे b इंटू x का पावर 1 बटे x का पावर 1 बटे c इक्वल टू x का पावर 1 बटे b माइनस 1 बटे a इंटू x का पावर 1 बटे c माइनस 1 बटे b इंटू 1 बटे a माइनस 1 बटे c इक्वल टू x का पावर 1 बटे b 1 बटे b माइनस 1 बटे then 1 बटे c माइनस 1 बटे b then 1 बटे a माइनस 1 बटे c, that is equal to x का पावर 0, that is equal to 1, that is equal to R S proved. Now consider the next question. Find the value of n when 12 power minus 5 into 12 over 2n plus 1 is equal to 12 over 13 divided by 12 over 7. Consider the expression. Seven. That is 12 का power 2n plus 1 plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 12 का power 13 by 12 का power 7. That implies 12 over 2n minus 4, 12 का power 6. That implies 2n minus 4 is equal to 6. That implies 2n is equal to 10. That implies n is equal to 5. Answer. Now consider the next question. Simplifying it, it is equal to a का power 2n plus 3 into a का power 2n squared plus 5n plus 2 divided by 3. And n plus 5 equal n square plus n plus 6n plus 3 is equal to seven n got 2n square plus 7n plus 5 equal 2n square plus 7n plus 3 is equal to equal 2n square plus 7n plus 3 into equal square equal 2n plus 7n plus 3 that is equal to is equal to a square. That is the answer. Consider the next question. Simplify this expression. Considering it minus e to the power n by 9 e to the power n plus 10 e to the power n plus 1 is equal to three to the power n plus 3 minus 3 to the power n with 3 to the power n plus 4 minus 3 to the power n plus 1 that is equal to 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 3 minus 1 but a 3 to the power n 3 to the 4 minus 3 in there 27 minus 8 but a 81 minus 3 is equal to 26 by 78 is equal to 1 by 3 that is the answer. हमने आज की वीडियो में एक्सपोनेंशियल्स के बचे हुए लॉज को जाना और उसके संबंधित कुछ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया। अगले वीडियो में हम स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट के बारे में जानेंगे और उससे संबंधित क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो आप लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू।